Today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 551 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. And so the source video says I tested this 100% winning buy-sell indicator on Tradingview, and here's what happened. And so, again, as I've said many times before, no strategy, no indicator is going to be 100%. And so, the fact that the source video claims that it's 100%, but then leaves it as a kind of mystery as to here's what happened. It's kind of a little bit strange. I mean, again, they say it's a 100% winning buy-sell indicator that they tested. And so the conclusion would be that it was 100% winning buy-sell indicator. And so just a little bit strange kind of baiting and formatting in the source video title. But of course, like I said, no strategy, no indicator is 100% accurate. At some point, every indicator, every strategy is going to take a losing trade. And so even the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons has a very high win rate up into the hundreds, but eventually it will take a losing trade. And so don't get your hopes up that this is going to be a 100% winning strategy. Nonetheless, we'll put it to the test. We'll hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the whole trend and compare indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We're going to jump into the settings and make a few modifications here. And so you want to make sure that the mode is set to Hakanashi. You're going to want to change the hull length to 50 and the length right here to 40. Then you jump into the styles and uncheck the table selection right here. Everything else stays on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the APOC oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we're going to jump into the settings. So we're going to change the Ichimoku conversion line to 20, the Ichimoku baseline to 50. Then down here lower, we're going to change a hull MA period to 12 and the double hull to 10. And I believe go into the styles and you're going to uncheck the histogram selection. Everything else stays on the default settings. And so what we're looking for a short trade example, so we're looking for a sell tag like this here from the whole trend. Then going to look down to the APOC oscillator and we want it to have a red line like this here. In this particular case, it had a red dot at that exact point, which is the crossover point. Completely valid. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here, put our stop just right above this pivot area, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You see this nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is the buy tag like this here from the Hall Trend indicator. We're then going to look down to the APOC oscillator, and we want it to have a green line like this here. And so once those two line up, that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here, put our stop just right below this pivot area, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Oops, I think I moved that just slightly. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice move to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. Now before we do, there is a nice summer rainstorm happening here where I live, and so you may hear the rain bouncing off my window. And so if anybody's wondering what that tinking sound is, that would be the nice rainstorm that is taking place currently. Anyway, so back to the numbers. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $11,200. That would have put your total profit and loss at plus $2,000. So not a horrible strategy. I think that was over about a month's period of time. And so it's not going to make you rich, but I guess if you scaled it up, it could earn you a decent amount. And so definitely seemed like it kept you in the positive numbers instead of the negative numbers. And so that is good, but definitely not a 100% winning indicator. Just keep that in mind. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 31 trades altogether. With the Academy Forex indicator, we had right at an 80% win rate and a total gain right at $15,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.